就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
H-A-K-K-A. That spells Hakka. And time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. What happens when you blend Latin with Hakka? You get Tito Tong's music, like this song that is called Searching for You, 寻你. He was inspired by the feeling of peace and togetherness of the Taipei Universiade and decided to come up with this song with a reggaeton bass. Let's check it out. It is Searching for You, 请
我想转到过去失落的所在，其他地方有梦等你爱来转动。可是将将凉风四季寒江哦，梦底下下多带干寒吹梦。我想转去秒杀熟悉的所在，梦底下下寒气的爱梦。黑空也比亲爱你的将来，有没有没失去的色彩？爱的心意，多你生出七送半路，遥遥公公，无奈何的缘分，春夏秋冬，等一摆也无相拥的梦，不甘愿喊多你洒来表现，爱的心意，多你生。送半路，遥遥公公，无奈何的缘分，春夏秋冬，等一摆也无相拥的梦，不愿那一生来守你，真情万古血。
钻进拉丁风格的汤雨欣，这次又把南美洲热情的灵魂融入在客家歌曲中，而这首《寻你情》是他被台北市大运和平团结气氛所感动而写的，朗朗上口的歌词加上拉丁风 reggaeton 的旋律，真的是一首震撼人心的歌啊！That's another Hakka song. Peace out, yo.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.